Today I am going to explain you about plate tectonic theory. Plate tectonic theory is modified theory of continental drift theory. In continental drift theory, we had learned about all the continents were formed due to the split of Pangaea. But few limitations were there. That's why this modified theory was prepared by this whole team. J.T. Wilson suggested the name of this theory, and this theory was suggested by Harry Hess, and Morgan explained this whole theory. So first we are going to learn about what is plate. Plate is located between lower part of lithosphere and upper part of asthenosphere. I'm going to draw inner part of earth. This is core, this is mantle, and here the region of asthenosphere, and this whole is your lithosphere region. So this is asthenosphere region. Okay, and this is your lower part of lithosphere, and plates are located here. Plates are located here. Plates are broken part of lithosphere, just like a broken pieces of rocks. So plates are located between lower part of lithosphere and upper part of asthenosphere. Because of this plate movement, these all landforms were formed. These all things are explained in plate tectonic theory. According to plate tectonic theory, total number of plates means 7 major plates are there and 20 minor plates are there. As we all know that two types of plates also there, oceanic plate and continental plate. Oceanic plate is heavier because oceanic plates are made up of basalt and continental plates are made up of granite. Let's see how these plates move, means type of movement in plate. The first one is convergent. Convergent means when plates move in a same direction and they collide. Because of this collision, fold mountains were formed. Second, divergent. Divergent means when plate move in opposite direction. These faults were formed. Because of faults, rift valley, block mountains were formed. Transverse. Transverse movement means when plates move vertically. Transverse movement is responsible of earthquakes. Let's see how convergence occur. You can see easily plates are located on asthenosphere. In asthenosphere, radioactive substances found. In this region, hot molten magma is found because of radioactive substances. This whole region is in liquid form. So this whole region is in liquid form. So due to change in temperature, conventional currents form, and these currents are responsible in the disturbance of plate or movement of plate. So due to convention, magma move from up to down. Because due to conventional current, magma move from lower part to upper part, and plates also move with magma. As we all know that these all plates are broken part of lithosphere. So when this liquid magma is moving, because of this movement, these all plates are also moving with magma. So how these plates move? The first movement is convergence of plate, means when plate move in a same direction. So here I am going to explain you about how continent to continental convergence happens. Now when two continental plates collide, then the rising part is known as mountain, fold mountain. When ocean and continental plate, oceanic and continental plate collide, then because of this collision, fold mountains were formed. And ocean to ocean, when oceanic and oceanic plates collide, then also ridges were formed. So if ocean to ocean plates collide, in this condition volcanic arcs form, islands, archipelagos, trenches were formed. Ocean to continent, the example of like Nazca Plate and South American Plate, where Nazca Plate and Nazca Plate is oceanic plate and South American Plate is continental plate. When these two plates collide, because of collision of Nazca Plate and South American Plate, Andes Mountains were formed. Now, divergence of plate. When plates move in opposite direction, because of opposite direction, faults occur. Means when two plates diverge means move in opposite direction. In this condition, block mountains, rift valleys form. In ocean, this condition form ridges and new crust. If this activity will occur in oceanic areas, then ridges and new crust will form. Next is transverse plate. When plates move parallel, means parallel movement of plate. Because of this, no topographical structure is formed, means no mountains were formed, lowland features were formed. Only these types of movements are responsible in earthquake tremors. This is all about plate movement. Now next is ring of fire. Now this whole region is known as ring of fire. Why this whole region is known as ring of fire? Because Eurasian plate, Australian plate, Antarctic plate, North American plate and South American plate. These all plates in the same direction. That's why Pacific Ocean is shrinking and we call this whole region ring of fire because it is a convergent boundary of plate. Here all plates converge. About 40,000 kilometer its length and located in, you can see easily here, Pacific Ocean. This whole region is located in Pacific Ocean. 6 plates converge here. So volcanism 83%, earthquakes 63%. So this whole region is known as ring of fire because of excess volcanism and earthquakes. 407 active volcanoes are there. Now, evidence of plate tectonic theory. Pacific Ocean is shrinking because of conversion and Atlantic Ocean is expanding because of divergent. In satellite images, plate movement noticed and mid-Atlantic ridge also noticed because of divergent. Height of Himalayas is increasing day by day. This is also the evidence of plate movement. Pacific Ocean is shrinking and Atlantic is expanding. And ring of fire of Pacific Ocean is the perfect evidence for plate tectonic theory. Means this theory is appropriate to understand the land forms. This whole about plate tectonic theory.